Welcome to Ours Digital Pro, your partner in smart digital growth. What is marketing? It's the art of connecting products, services, and ideas with the right audience. Marketing builds the bridge between what you create and the people who need it. Your website is the foundation, clean, responsive, and built to impress. Social media amplifies your voice, reaching millions across platforms. Analytics turn data into decisions, showing you what works best. Marketing builds awareness, ensuring your brand is seen and remembered. Search engines help customers find you exactly when they need you. Email campaigns keep your audience engaged with direct communication. Video content captures attention, telling your story in seconds. The marketing funnel guides customers from awareness to action. Digital ads put your brand in front of the right people at the right time. Mobile-friendly layouts make sure your message is clear everywhere. Marketing drives sales, turning interest into revenue. Every click, every view, every share adds to your growth. Customer journeys are mapped so every touchpoint builds trust. Strong branding, logos, colors, and typography creates lasting identity. In short, marketing equals growth and growth equals success. Ours Digital Pro. Let's build your brand together.